Hey there, welcome back to Standout channel and to another digital marketing training video. Today we're going to talk about Quora marketing for beginners. Almost everyone knows what Quora is, but the question remains, how do smart marketers utilize these highly popular platforms to promote their business and generate leads? In this video, we will look into the best way businesses can get started from using Quora to engage with your audience to creating healthy backlinks to help your website SEO. Let's hop right into this. So what is Quora all about? Quora is a social media platform where users can interact by asking questions and providing answers to each other. Quora is no doubt a great tool for brands and marketers thanks to its social nature. It lets you engage directly with other users, which present a great opportunity to interact in a meaningful way. Building awareness and authority comes down to providing values, and Quora gives you all the tools you need to present your personal brand or company as a source of information. Now, first, let's talk about using Quora to engage your audience. Let's go into the details about how you can actually use Quora effectively to engage with your audience. Number one, use the question for you section. One of the best ways to let Quora user know about your profile is through question for you. One of the advantages of keeping an eye on this section is that it allows you the opportunity to be the first to reply to a question for you. As a strategy, we suggest you pick an hour of the day when you're free to dedicate time to reply to question for you. That way, you can stay on this page and refresh to see which question have no answer, so you can be the first to reply. Replying to a question faster can also mean that your answer potentially can get more votes and help you to build up authority faster for your profile. Once you have grown as a contributor, Quora will suggest your profile to people asking questions in topics that you follow, and they will be able to request an answer straight from you as well. Number two, a lot of people don't make changes to their answer when it has been posted, which is not the best move, especially for fields that are constantly changing and evolving. If there are new updates, don't hesitate to edit your own answer. You can edit answer after you have submitted them. This can help you to include additional information or to update an old answer. This works similar to updating content from your blog because the Quora algorithm as well as search engine index these changes. Plus, new viewers can be looking for that topic at any time, and their upvotes will certainly be available for answers that are the most relevant, the most up to date. It's possible that you can answer 100 questions, but your expertise only shines through about half of them, and that's okay too. Just choose the right answer to pin, and when interest leads go to your profile, you will be establishing authority on autopilot. All right, so we just talked about the best and easiest way to use Quora to engage with your audience. Now let's talk about repurposing your blog content for Quora. Quora can be a great platform for repurposing your brand content when used right. What it might not offer a dedicated blog feature, you can leverage the space provided by Answer to distribute your content. We're going to show you how to repurpose a blog post to answer a question. Additionally, we'll also show you how to use repurposed blog content to build a backlink with each answer that you compose the following way. Step 1. Finding a content piece that you can repurpose. Step 1 of this strategy is finding a content piece that you can repurpose into an answer to a Quora question. This idea is to select a piece of information that can help someone to find a solution or answer to a common problem or issues in your niche. Step 2. Finding a good question to answer with your content. The easiest way to go here is to search question using niche keywords in your content. Identify a question that can be answered with information taken from your blog post. And now click on the question to go to the question page to compose your answer. As simple as that. Step 3. Repurposing your blog post into an answer. The final step is to reformat content from your blog post to compose your answer. In this last step, don't forget to add a link to the original blog post. To do this, compose a short message or CTA to let the reader know that you wrote a detailed article where they can find more information regarding their question. As you can see, repurposing your existing content to expand your brand on Quora is just a few clicks away. It's one of the easiest Quora marketing tricks, but also very powerful and effective, so be sure to give this a go. Now let's talk about creating backlinks on Quora. Quora is a platform made for user and contributors first, but that doesn't mean you can't apply effective marketing strategy when you know how to do it right. Building backlink is one of those strategies that lots of marketers have a hard time with. Luckily, Quora make it easy for you to put backlinks that people will see and click through, and we'll see how that next. But first, if you're still wondering, what is backlink? A backlink is simply a link from one website to another. Search engine like Google use backlink as a ranking signals because when one website links to another, it's mean they believe the content is noteworthy. High quality backlinks can help to increase a site's ranking position and visibility in search engine results, which is very healthy for your SEO. First and foremost, remember to put backlinks on your profiles. One of the best placements to insert backlinks that can go directly to your site homepage is in your profile. There are two good placements within your profile to insert backlinks into. The first is your profile credential. Why this is not a text link that user can click through, it gives user an easy way to go to your website simply by highlighting the address and right-clicking on it to use the go-to function. The second best placement to insert a profile backlinks is into your bio, and that's it. It's done. 2 backlinks on your profile. Secondly, also don't forget to add backlinks within your answer. You can add text links within an answer as backlinks to a content piece on your website. This strategy is similar to interlinking content on your blog or to citing content from an external site with a text link. As long as you add the link naturally within your answer, it should be 100% effective. Next, also don't miss out on the opportunity to share a backlink in Spaces. Lastly, you can share a link with Quora user directly using the share link feature. This allows you to share a content piece to spark discussion. This is similar to creating a post on social media, and it's a good alternative use a question. To share a link, you have to start by clicking on the Add a Question button from anywhere on your Quora account. Next, click on the Share Link tabs. You can choose to share the link with followers or to one of the spaces that you follow. Please note that when you choose to share your link with a space, you have to wait for moderator of that space to approve your post after you submit it. And that's it. Just a few clicks and your backlink is live. Follow these steps and you'll be able to use Quora as a factory of backlinks. And that's also conclude today's video on Quora marketing for beginners. I hope these easy strategy can help you get started. The Quora community is growing, so be sure to hop in if it fits with your business direction and enjoy the exposure. Have another alternative in mind? Let us know in the comment below which other platforms do you prefer to Quora. Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Standout.